Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Red Dead Redemption 2 has stopped working. If you want to fix this problem, all you have to do first click here, and after that type view advanced system settings, and then click settings here, and then adjust for best performance, and after that click apply and OK, and then close it, and then click here and type graphics settings. Now make sure to turn on this option, and after that we need to restart your PC as you see here, and then type here startup apps. Now turn off all the applications that you don't want it to start when you start your PC, and after that restart your PC, and then type here GeForce Experience. If you can't find it, just download it from your browser, and then click check for updates and install the last update for your graphics card just by clicking download here. And that's it, your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.